Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to cancel your Apple Music subscription using your web browser. First, go to deletio.app. There you can find the guide for Apple Music and follow the step-by-step instructions with me. Let's begin by going to music.apple.com and signing in. I've already done that. At the top right, click on the My Account icon. If you don't see Sign In, you can skip the sign-in step. From the menu, choose Settings. Scroll down to the Subscriptions section and choose Manage. Look for your Apple Music subscription and choose Cancel Subscription. Important: you cannot delete your Apple Music account because it is tied directly to your Apple ID. When you cancel the subscription, you will lose streaming and offline downloads once your paid period ends. However, your purchased iTunes music stays yours, and your Apple ID and other Apple services remain unaffected. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out deleteo.app, where you'll find easy guides for deleting your accounts or downloading your data from different apps. You can also find your accounts using your email, phone number, or username, and check if your data has been leaked.